Wally Darling, a curious young inventor, lived in a quaint village. Known for his wild ideas, he dreamed of building a flying machine. Despite ridicule, he persevered, collecting scrap and working tirelessly. One day, his contraption soared, astonishing the town. Wally's fame grew, but he stayed humble. Fame brought challenges. A scheming rival, Victor, aimed to steal Wally's design. A thrilling rivalry unfolded, both showcasing their skills at an upcoming invention fair. In a tense showdown, Wally's invention shone, but Victor's deception stole the spotlight. Undeterred, Wally discovered Victor's deceit and revealed the truth, earning back his acclaim. Recognizing his integrity, the town celebrated Wally's creativity and kindness. The village transformed into a hub of innovation, all inspired by Wally Darling's spirit. Years later, Wally's flying machines dotted the skies, connecting people. He married his childhood friend, Ada, and together they continued their inventive journey, reminding all that dedication and authenticity could make dreams take flight.